Okay, so I got the SS14 finished up, so I decided to get it out along with my Hydrotrack 14 since it's basically the same thing. So I think it turned out pretty good. Unfortunately, the tires are dirty because of the gravel driveway, so not much I can really do about that, but just gotta ignore that. 301 or 302cc engine, which I never did make a decal for that, but oh well. And then I got the steering wheel cap put in, which is pretty cool. I was able to find one of them. I got a white seat upholstered for it, and this hood is actually a hood I remade. I cut the inserts out of another hood, and I remade this hood and welded them in, so that turned out pretty nice. So, not much else on this one. So here is the glam footage on the SS14, along with the Hydrotrack 14.